Good morning, student. In previous class, we study about quantization of electric charge. Quantization of electric charge, and the formula of quantization of electric charge equal to Q equal to ME. Means the total charge of the body is equal to the multiply of number of electrons and charge of electrons which is available in the body. It is the formula of quantization of electric charge. Our next topic is electric field. Electric field and intensity of electric field. This is our first topic of today. Electric field and intensity of electric field. What is electric field? The first topic is electric field. What is electric field? Means, let us consider we have a point charge. This is the point charge Q. The point charge is Q and the area of point charge is this. This is the area of point charge. If we put or take another charge near the area of this point charge Q, then the point charge Q apply a force which is electric force at the point charge Q1. Electric charge at other point charge, electric force at other point charge which is Q1. At point charge Q1, the force applied by point charge Q and the area in which the force applied at Q1 point charge is called electric field. Means the area of a point charge in which if we take another point charge, then the another point charge feels electric force, then the area is called electric field. The next topic is intensity of electric field. Intensity of electric field. Electric field. Before we study about intensity of electric field, we study a point, that is test charge. We study about point charge. What is point charge? Point charge is a charge if the charge is very small with respect to its distance, then it is called point charge. Here the other is test charge. Test charge is a small or teeny positive charge. Test charge is a small or teeny positive charge which have not its own electric field. Means if we study about test charge, then the test charge have not a electric field. It is only a small or teeny positive charge, it is called test charge. Means if a charge have a small or teeny positive charge and it's not on electric field, then it is called test charge. ठीक. Next, intensity of electric field. Intensity of electric field. Intensity of electric field is represented by capital E. Capital E denotes the intensity of electric field. The formula of intensity of electric field is, we study test charge. Test charge is represented by Q0. The formula of electric field is equal to electric force upon में test charge. Means the ratio of electric force and test charge is called intensity of electric field. The ratio of electric force means electric force is represented by F and test charge is represented by Q0. Then the ratio of F and Q0 is called E. Means the ratio of electric force and test charge is called intensity of electric field. Intensity of electric field is represented by E and it is a vector quantity. Vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. The SI unit of E equal to, here electric force means F. The SI unit of force is Newton. Upon में charge, the SI unit of charge is Coulomb. Means the SI unit of intensity of electric field is Newton per Coulomb. It is the SI unit of intensity of electric field. There is another unit of intensity of electric field, which is, at first we put the formula of intensity of electric field, and the formula of intensity of electric field equal to force upon में charge. This is the formula of intensity of electric charge, electric field. Here multiply this with displacement, force into displacement upon में charge into displacement. Force into displacement, it is a formula of work. Means we put force into displacement with respect to, replace force into displacement with work. Then work upon में charge into displacement. Work upon में charge. Work upon में charge, it is a formula of potential or voltage. Means equal to voltage or potential upon में displacement. The unit of voltage is volt and the unit of displacement is meter. Then the other unit of intensity of electric field is volt per meter. The first SI unit is Newton per Coulomb. It is the unit of intensity of electric field, and the other unit of intensity of electric field is volt per meter. Our next topic is intensity of electric field at a point due to a point charge. This is our next topic. Intensity of electric field at a point due to point charge. This is our next topic, a small derivation. Intensity of electric field at a point due to a point charge. Due to a point charge. Let us consider a point charge is at point O. This is point O. Here a point charge Q is available. From the point charge Q, a small distance R. This is a point P. At this point P, we have to calculate the intensity of electric field. Means at point P, we have calculate intensity of electric field due to point charge. This is our topic. Hence, let us consider a point charge Q, which is put on the point O, and from point O, a is R distance. At a R distance, there is a point P. Let us consider at point P, test charge Q0 is available. Here, the test charge Q0 is available. Then, this is a charge and this is also a charge. Between two charges, electric force is applied, which is calculated by Coulomb's law. Means यहां पर क्या होगा, अकॉर्डिंग टू Coulomb's law, F equal to K Q1 Q2 upon में R square. This is the formula of Coulomb's law. Here Q1 equal to Q and Q2 equal to Q0, and distance between Q and Q0 is R. Means F equal to K, Q1 equal to Q and Q0 equal to Q2 equal to Q0, distance R square. Equation number first. From definition of intensity of electric field, and the definition is equal to F upon में Q0. Means the ratio of electric force and test charge is called intensity of electric field. Here this is the value of electric force F. Put the value from equation first. Here equal to K Q0 upon में R square into Q0. Q0 से Q0 कैंसिल हो गया, क्या बचा, इक्वल टू KQ upon में R square. This is the formula of intensity of electric field at a point due to a point charge. Intensity of electric field is a vector quantity, then it is the magnitude of intensity of electric field. If we have to calculate the vector form of intensity of electric field, then here equal to K Q upon में R square. This is the magnitude of intensity of electric field. Intensity of electric field is a vector quantity, then it is vector. Here this is magnitude. why we convert magnitude into a vector quantity, then multiply the magnitude with unit vector, then it is convert into vector quantity. Here k is constant, which is scalar quantity. Charge q is a scalar quantity, means the unit vector is available of distance. This is vector quantity, this is magnitude plus unit vector is also called a vector quantity. This is the vector form of intensity of electric field, or E equal to k q upon में r square. Here r cat multiply by r upon में r, same कैंसिल होने के बाद वो का वो मान अपने पास. Here k q upon में r square into r means r q. Here magnitude into unit vector is called a vector, means r vector. This is also the vector form of intensity of electric field. If we draw graph between E and R, means between intensity of electric field and distance r. Graph between E and R, मतलब intensity of electric field and distance r. Here this is the E and this is R. In this formula, the magnitude of the formula is equal to kq upon में R square. Here E and R is reverse proportional to each other, means if R increases then E decreases, and if E increases then R decreases. मतलब intensity of electric field and distance is reverse proportional to each other, and the graph of reverse proportional to is this. This is the graph between E and R. If we draw a graph between E and 1 upon में R square, we draw a graph between E and 1 upon में R square. Here k is constant and charge is also a constant quantity, then E proportional to 1 upon में R square. If k and q is constant, then E proportional to 1 upon में R square, means if E increases then 1 upon में R square is also increases, and if E decreases, means intensity of electric field is decreases, then 1 upon में R square is also decreases, means E and 1 upon में R square is proportional to each other, and the graph of proportional is this. This is the graph of proportional. Our topic intensity of electric field at a point due to a point charge is complete. Our next topic is electric field lines, which study in our next class. Thank you.